Alright guys, so our next bend is going to be a back-to-back bend, which is similar to this, meaning that I'm trying to go in between two bays, whatever that might be. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the back-to-back bend is this bar here, meaning I'm going in between two items is my important part. So if I'm looking over here, my first stub up was because I was worried about this measurement. This is the easiest one to make because I'm only worrying about the room. So if I'm trying to go up on two pieces of room, or if I'm coming off the eaves and coming straight down, the measurement I'm worried about is the distance here to here, not the height of the pipe. So we're going to use this table to kind of give you guys a rough estimate of what it is, because it's going to be hard for us to do it in the actual bend test. We'll put it in between the bays. So you'll do just like that, but we'll do farther bays, and I just don't want to move everything. So we're going to use a table. Table's 47 inches, okay? So the easiest way for us to do that, we're going to go ahead and set the pipe down on the ground. And remember, this is kind of fun little trick, guys. If you have one that's a little off, you can sit there and ramp on this pipe to straighten it out, okay? So we're going to mark this at 47 inches on the dot, okay? Make sure I put the pencil back in my wrong pocket again. So I'm going to mark my mark at 47. So I'm going to hold it here off the ground. At 47, I'm going to make my mark. Now, a lot of people hate these tape measures, but I love the ones that have a little button on that hold it in place. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and ring it up here. Again, I do not use permanent marker for ringing normally, but for this case, I do. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use the star, okay? So the star mark on this one is this little guy right here. Bring it up so you guys can see it, but it's the star, okay? Now we're going to do a back-to-back. So my measurement is here. It breaks the rule I just told you, which is always bend towards your measurement. We're going to do the reverse, okay? So we're going to put our bender on. This is going to be hard to do on camera here. And we're going to mark it so that I can see the star is on the line, okay? So the star's on the line. Now, one thing I always do makes it a little easier. We're going to make it a little easier for you guys to see here, hopefully, is that I'm going to put my bar on there so I can make sure these guys aren't off, okay? And then when I make my bend, if I put a little pressure on it, I can put pressure on here. Remember, I'm always keeping pressure here or on my hand. I'm pulling back towards us. We're going to sit there and pull back, pull back. And it doesn't matter, I can stop if I want, as long as I put foot pressure on. I can take my foot off as long as I put hand pressure. That keeps it from kinking. We keep going, going, going. And I look right down, I'm right on my point here. I feel like I'm pretty level here. And we have our back-to-back bend. Now we can take our pipe off. Let's see how well we did here, guys. Is that we can now take this and set it up against here. We see that if we look really close, we're 47 to 47, okay? So it would fit in that bay or whatever that might be. I can just make that one measurement and bend. Makes it super easy. What I don't care about this measurement, I care about from here to here. So if this had walls, this is what it would look like. So guys, that's the 4 bends. Now here's the fun part. You notice I have extra room here. So if I screw up one of my bends, I can do all this, you know, and I cut off here. I can do another kick or something like this with this piece of pipe. I don't need 17 pieces of pipe. If you're coming home every day and you have a boneyard of different bends you've effed up, learn how to bend pipe, okay? Again, guys, this is for review only, and we thank you for watching. But as always, guys, like, subscribe, leave comments. Tell me I did a horrible job, and you would never do it that way. That's totally fine, too. They still help me with clicks. All right, guys? So as always, have a great day. We'll talk to you later, and thanks for watching.